Hey, how's it going, guys? Thanks again for checking out our Kickstarter video. First of all, we're going to go over some things that your pledge will go towards. As you can see, there's no windows or windshield in the vehicle. We're looking at going with the 3/4 polycarbonate material. That'll help us be protected from large hail and also flying debris. We'll also be looking at purchasing a hydraulic system, 4 cylinders and a 12-volt hydraulic pump to raise and lower the flaps. That way we prevent wind from getting underneath the vehicle and picking it up. Now, if we surpass our Kickstarter goal by any dollar amount, it'll help us expand our horizons in purchasing weather instrumentation and also photography equipment to better capture the storm.